I'm Danny Reeves with First to the Future TV here at CES 2019, and we are in the very popular and busy booth of Whirlpool,
Yes.
and we have Philip with us. Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely. Excited to talk about our new smart products.
Now, Whirlpool is, everybody knows about Whirlpool, but you guys have some really incredible products right now in 2019, and we're standing right in front of this smart range, which is blowing me away. Why don't we go over this a little bit?
Yes. So our smart range has a variety of different ways that you can control it, because we know that our consumers have a lot of things going on in their lives. So with Whirlpool brand, we're always trying to connect to how people care for their families, because our consumers see the value in that. And anytime that they can care for their family more effectively, that helps them in their lives. So that's what we try to build our products towards. So every innovation we try to do has that purpose of helping them connect and care for their family a little bit more. So that's what this range is designed to do. It has a variety of different ways that you can do that. It has voice control capabilities where Google Home and Amazon Alexa, you can ask, for example, to preheat the oven that way. So if you're in another room, you can start to get that process going. And additionally, we also have a Whirlpool app that you can also send those types of commands to, because we know that our consumers are in many different rooms sometimes and trying to juggle a lot of things. So this just helps them a little bit with the busyness of their day.
Yeah, that's definitely convenient, especially with a family, like you said.
Yes.
You're busy all over the house trying to prepare food, change diapers, and this just makes life so much easier. But what makes you stand out as Whirlpool? What does this range stand out compared to any other brand?
Yes, so one of the things that helps us really stand out is Yumly. Yumly is a company we acquired in 2017, and their whole purpose is to help people make those homemade meals. So from all the way at the beginning when they're thinking about, I need to cook a meal but I'm not sure what to make, all the way to completion, keeping in mind that those Whirlpool consumers are so busy with so much going on, we try to make that process as simple as possible. So for the cooking process itself, we actually have a set of things that you can, recipes that you can work on directly with the range, and you can just go through the app itself and you never have to go touch the range itself. When it's time to preheat the oven, if that's step 3 in the process, that's when it'll tell you to preheat, and it'll send the direction directly to your oven itself. And when it's done, it'll still send you notifications to do that, so that you don't ever have to worry about it. You can just follow that one list of instructions that works seamlessly with our range. So if I were to select a recipe, for instance, spatchcock chicken here, I would click on the recipe. So then it gives you a list of the steps. So if I were to make it, I would hit make it. It gives you both the ingredients and the tools that you'll need to do this. So once I start cooking, here on the left you'll see the videos that will walk you through it. So if I wanted to, I could watch that video. So then now I'm at step 2 of the process. I'll preheat the oven. So when I hit start oven, it will send the instructions over to the oven here. And it is now preheating without me ever needing to go touch it myself.
And I've got Nellie Martinez. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thanks for
having
coming
us. Thanks for having us. Now we're in the ever so dreaded laundry room at Whirlpool, but you're here to save the day, right?
Of course, we're trying to do that.
What do we have new for Whirlpool Laundry?
So we are really committed to get consumers to have a better laundry experience, and we really want to remove steps out of the process for them. So how we're enabling that is actually through the smart features that we got. We've got partnerships with Google and Amazon, so there's some of the things that you can actually control directly from your phone with Whirlpool app, and also through these partnerships.
Wow. Well, show us here what you've got going on.
Of course. So there's other cool features that we got on our washer. So these are new smart prayer, washer and dryer. One cool thing that we got also is that you can actually set a cycle, just define what you want to wash, and automatically the washer will tell you how to dry it. You can change that if you want to, set it to a quick cycle, and then you have that cycle set for start. Another cool feature that we got is actually down here. It's the load and go dispenser. So here at the bottom, you can actually pour a whole bottle of detergent and it'll take care of it for 40 loads. So you can forget about loading detergent for 40 loads. Whenever it's running low, you'll get a notification on the Whirlpool app and you can replenish that if you want to.
So the only thing basically that I have to do is really load the washer.
Exactly.
And then everything else I can do on the phone.
Yep.
And the washer does it for me.
Yeah, it'll do that for you. If you have the Whirlpool app, it'll actually let you know whenever it's done, so you don't have to come and be checking on your laundry every single time. We're so busy every day that we often forget and we keep just the laundry sitting there. So you'll get a notification when it's time to go to the dryer and set
So
the dryer
it
ready.
makes you take it out.
Yes.
Yeah, because that's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Now, does it tell you, like, sometimes with the dryer, for example, my clothes are still damp, even though I thought, it should be done.
Yeah.
Does it tell you that type of thing?
So one cool feature that we got is actually scheduling the same cycle that you got on the washer on the dryer. So let's say you're doing towels on the washer. Those for drying actually will need more time and a hot temperature to actually be dried. So whenever you're finishing your wash cycle, it let you know and it'll ask you like, do you want to shift your wash cycle to the dryer? And if you say yes, then the dryer will actually set it itself by its own, syncing with the washer to actually give you the better dryer performance for the washer load that you just finished.
Wow, that's incredible. I know, like we said, laundry is like the worst chore, I feel like, and now you've got everything covered for us.
Yeah,
here.
we're just trying to remove steps and make it easier because we truly believe that that's a way that we help our consumers take care of their families and help them thrive.
Now all we need is someone to fold it all.
Of course.
What do you see in the future for Whirlpool Laundry?
So we're really looking forward on innovation. We have also an all-in-one laundry purse, which is just one unit that washes and dries in one appliance. And we keep still working with our product and engineering team to get there, making sure that we're getting the best solutions for our consumers.
Wow, Nelly, well, this is really exciting. Thank you so much for having
Thank
us
you.
in the Whirlpool booth today.
Thank you for coming.
You're watching First to the Future at CES 2019.